Today we're gonna unbox the new Noctua NF-A12x15 PWM. This is a 112mm premium fan. Let's take a look to the specifications of these fans. So the rotation speed is of 1850 with no adapter, and with the low noise adapter is 1400. The airflow is of 19.4.2 meters per hour. The dB of acoustic noise is 23.9 and 16.8 with the low noise adapter. The static pressure is of 1.53 and 0.9 with the adapter. So this fan features the new flow acceleration channels. This is a special design on the fans that let more airflow for this type of fans. This is a 50mm slim design that makes this kind of fans adaptable to all type of case, and also in low profile, low space, etc, etc. Inside you can find the installation guide, and what I don't like is these anti-vibration mounts. Literally, you can't use them on a radiator. They are impossible to install into a radiator. But I understand that in some types of case you can use these anti-vibration mounts. I will appreciate if Noctua will provide a screw for the radiator's installation, because there isn't inside, and this fan can be very useful in some water cooling system. This is 15mm slim design, metal reinforced motor hub, flow acceleration channels, AAO frame that is advanced acoustic optimization frames that features anti-vibration pads integrated, VPM control, SSO2 bearing, and inside you can find also low noise adapter that reduce the maximum fan speed from 1085.50 to 1400, and also you can find the extension cable. This is 30 centimeters extension cables. The warranty for these fans are of 6 years, so they're very good. In these years where you can find only 2 years or 1 year plus 1 year of warranty, 6 years of warranties are very good. These fans are of the classic Noctua colors. You can see the petrol design on the fans. They operate with 12 volt and the maximum input power is of 1.56 watt. The duration time are set to 150,000 hours. Here there is the low noise adapter, the 30 centimeters adapter, the 13 centimeter extension cable. These fans use the classical 4-pin cable. There is also a 4-pin Y cable, and is very good for case utilization, anti-vibration mounts that unfortunately in our case we can't use with our radiator, and you can't use them in any radiator. So if you plan to use this fan with a radiator into your water cooling system, you must buy the right screw, because inside the box there is no screw for radiator installation. There is only 4 screws for case installation. So that's all. I really like you enjoy this unboxing. Thank you. Thumbs up, subscribes, and see you next time. Bye.